This one.
The first one?
The first one.
I'm going with the right one. Kasi mas distinguishable with others.
This one. That one.
I feel like this is more natural.
In the middle, because it's the one that has the finer details. Like I can see like the veins of the
I
petals.
can see that on the front.
Gusto ko siya kasi yung kulay mas prominent dun sa dalawa. Like ito. Tapos like, for me, parang mas malinaw.
First picture. Yeah. Hindi lang siya nakafocus dun sa structure, pati sa background.
Everything stands out. Like equal yung pagkaka-stand out ng mga bagay na nasa image.
I'll go with the third as well because aside from the building, the clouds also look more realistic.
Huawei Nova 3i.
Huawei. Oh no, I picked
Sure,
First
Huawei.
yung sinagot ko.
Huawei.
First yung sinagot ko.
Uy, wow, dapat.
Samsung. Okay, Samsung.
Okay, so I put Oppo,
Samsung. And Samsung din yung
Huawei.
pinig ko dun.
Okay.
With this kind of setup, like I saw na when it comes to landscape, mas okay yung Huawei.
I have relatives who use Huawei phone. Maganda talaga yung camera mo. Like, meron siyang Samsung, pero yung ginagamit niya pang picture is Huawei.
In terms of camera capabilities, anong brand?
Huawei.
Huawei.
Huawei.